We're tackling static routing for your CCNA exam, focusing on the IP route command and its different applications. The most common type is a network route, used to tell a router how to reach a specific remote subnet. The syntax is IP route, followed by the destination network address, the subnet mask, and then either the next hop IP address or the local router's exit interface. For example, to reach the 10.2.2.0/24 network via a neighboring router at 192.168.1.2, the command would be IP route 10.2.2.2.55.255.255.0.192.168.1.2. A major exam trap involves the choice between the next hop IP and the exit interface. On a point-to-point link like a serial connection, using the exit interface is acceptable. However, on a multi-access network like Ethernet, specifying only the exit interface forces the router to send an ARP request for every single destination IP address it wants to reach. This creates excessive broadcast traffic and high CPU load, which is a significant performance issue and a classic exam question scenario. The best practice on Ethernet is to use the next hop IP address. Next is the default route, also known as the gateway of last resort. This route is used when no other more specific route in the routing table matches a packet's destination. You configure it with the command IP route 0.0.0.0.0.0, followed by the next hop or exit interface. This is essential for stub networks, which have only one path out to other networks, like a connection to an ISP. For more specific routing, you can use a host route. A host route points to a single destination IP address, not an entire network. This is achieved by using a /32 subnet mask, which is 255.255.255.255. For example, IP route 172.116.5.25.25.25.25 192.168.1.2 creates a route exclusively for the host 172.116.5.25. The exam might test this for scenarios requiring very specific traffic forwarding. Finally, we have the floating static route, which is a critical concept for network redundancy. A floating static route is a backup route that only appears in the routing table when a primary, dynamically learned route fails. You create one by configuring a static route with a higher administrative distance, or AD, than the dynamic routing protocol it's backing up. Since a normal static route has an AD of 1, and a protocol like OSPF has an AD of 110, you can set the static route's AD to 111. The command would look like IP route 10.2.2.0.255.255.0.192.168.99.2 111. If the OSPF route disappears, this static route will